Hello, this is IT. Today I'm going to show you that how you can change your IP addresses in Kali Linux every 5 to 10 seconds. So let's get started in the Kali Linux, and we have to type here auto tor IP changer. So we have to click on this link. And in my case, I have already opened this links, and you have to copy this the git clones, and you have to paste in the terminal. So I'm going to just paste it here, and you can see sorry I'm going to paste it here. So I'm going to copy here and going to paste it here, and you can see that in my cases already I have installed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ls, and I'm going to go to this directory, which I have to go to the autotor IP changer. So I'm going to type cd autotor IP changer. Now I'm in this directory, so I will have to put the sudo sudo. I'm going to log in as root for the super user. So I'm here, I'm super user. So now you have to put here python 3 install py. So in my case is I'm going to paste it here and click on the mm, on the next. So now we going to type y, and now here it says congratulations, a tutor IP changer is installed successfully. From now you just type AUT, means AUT. So I'm going to type here simply AUT, and you can see here that the script is running now. So what I'm going to do now I'm going to go to the settings. Now we will configure this configuration in the browser. So now I'm here to type here in network. So here is network settings. I have to type the socks, this one and this one, for we have to open this. So I'm going to type here, and I'm here, and I have already typed this one, a 127 dot 0.0.1. So the port one is 9050. I have it. You have to select here, so socks 5, socks v5, and you have to click here OK. So now it says the IP address, how much the second after, means that time to change the IP in seconds, means I want the IP address after the 10 seconds. So I'm here, I'm going to type here 10 seconds. So I'm going to type here 10, and here it can says that how many times do you want to change your IP. So I'm going to type here is 100, means I need 100, or you need any. So you will see for example, if you want 1000 IPs, if you want 100 IPs, it's depend on you. In my case, I'm going to type here 100, and I'm going to just type here, and I will go to the DNS link, and I will test my browser. So now I'm here. We'll see the configuration. Yes, you can see here, this is my IP address, and you, after sometimes it will get changes the IP addresses. So what I'm going to do is says 101. So I'm going to stop it, this one, and you can see this your IP address has been changed. So I'm going to refresh, click here. So it will after 10 seconds it will get changes the IP addresses. So I'm going to refresh it, and give me a second. You can see here the IP address has been changing every 5 seconds. So let me clear the histories. I have to remove the cookies, clear data, all the caches here now. Now I'm going to DNS leak. So now you can see here the IP address has been changed now. In every 10 seconds it will change, but I have the problem in my due to internet slow browsing, so that's why. So you can see at your ends. So I have the slow internet. Due to the slow internet, so there's I'm getting the problem. So you can check the script in the your end. So if any problem, so you can comment in the comment section, so I will give you the answer. Thank you so much for the watching.